Recall that to find an average, we need to find the total of something and divide it by the number of items that we have. And so in this case, we want to find the average cost of printing photos. And this problem will begin like a linear equation began way back when. We're paying a one-time fee, and in this case, it's the cost of a printer, which is costing us $240. And then to print each picture, it's going to cost us an additional $3 a piece. So this part of your problem is just a very simple linear equation. $3 times the number of photos you buy plus the $240 you spent on the printer would give you the cost to print a certain number of pictures. But we're not interested in the total this time. Remember, we're interested in the average. And so we found our total cost. We need to now divide this by the number of pictures we're printing. In this case, that's n. And so here's our equation, our rational equation, which is going to get us the average cost of printing pictures. Okay, so using this equation, we can then answer a couple of questions about it. I'm interested in knowing when will my average cost drop to just $3.48 per picture. And at first, usually people get a little confused because they think, well, it only costs us $3 to print a picture. But remember, if I print one picture, it didn't really cost me $3. It cost me $3 plus that $240 I spent on the printer. So a $243 picture is quite expensive. But as I print more pictures, the average cost is going to get split up over those photos, and the average cost will drop for each additional picture I print. So anyway, back to answering the question then. I want to get a total cost, or an average cost, sorry, of $3.48. So I'll plug that in for my cost, and then here's the equation I'll want to solve. And usually a great way to do this is to just put the 348 over 1, think of it as a proportion, and then use cross multiplication to solve. So I'd have $3.48 times n equals 3n plus 24 when I cross multiply. Getting my variables to one side then, I'd have 0.48 times n equals 240. And finishing by dividing by 0.48, I find out that if I print 500 photos, my average cost would have dropped all the way down to $3.48 per picture.